In this video, I am going to talk about top 18 free certification courses from Udemy. So let's see what are these courses. The first course is here, Machine Learning from Basics to Advanced. A beginner's guide to learn machine learning, including hands-on projects from basics to advanced level. The second course is here for you, Search Engine Optimization Complete Specialization course. If you'd like to enter the world of digital marketing with this specialized SEO course covering everything with practical examples that you need to know. The third course is here, Python Complete Course for Python Beginners. Python Complete Course for Python Beginners. Learn Python from beginner to advanced level. Next course is Machine Learning for Kids and Beginners. You can learn machine learning to create powerful artificial intelligence for real-world applications for kids and beginners, parents and teachers. The next course is here for you, Python Network Programming for Network Engineers, Python 3. Program networks using Python version 3. Learn network programmability with his practical GNS3 and Cisco course. The next course is here, Comprehensive SQL Bootcamp, Beginner to Advanced. In this course, you'll be able to learn SQL from scratch and become an expert. Next course is here, Step-by-Step SEO for Beginners, Boost Your Website. A step-by-step guide of the fundamentals of SEO. Learn to attract more visitors to your website, complete SEO course. The next one is Microsoft Word 2016 for everyone. A Microsoft Word 2016 course for recharging your career and resume. The next course is here for you, Modern JavaScript for React.js ES6. A complete guide for beginners to learn the essential topics of ES6 which are required to learn React.js. The next course is here, Create a members-only blog using PHP, MySQL, AJAX. You'll be able to create a database-driven blog with authentication, validated contact forms, and session variables using PHP, MySQL, and AJAX. The next course is here, WordPress for Beginners. WordPress, create a kick-ass WordPress site only in 2 hours. The next course is here, Introduction to Domain Names and Web Hosting Quick Guide. This course will help you to learn how domain names work and types of web hosting for any web development project. The next course is the Complete HTML course from beginning to expert. You'll be able to master yourself in HTML5 interactive way, step by step and easy to follow. Great for absolute beginners. The next one is Python Demonstration for Practice course. This course is a depth introduction to fundamental Python programming concepts by demonstration in Python programming. The next one is here, Microsoft Word 10 Pro hands-on training. Deploy and support Windows 10 Pro in a Windows Server domain environment. The next one is Step a virtual web server using Linode or DigitalOcean. You'll be able to deploy, configure, and scale a production virtual web server on Linode or DigitalOcean. The next course is here, Buying a Home for Beginners. How to buy a house and save. In this course, you'll be able to know how to buy a home for beginners. The last one course is the free Photoshop. Turn GIMP into Photoshop in no time. Get free Photoshop without paying anything. Learn how to make the free program GIMP looks and works like Photoshop. So check the video description to get all of these 18 free certification courses link.